Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope all of you are doing great today. And now on today's episode, I'm going to show you about how to use the Node.js code compiler. Okay, here is our Node.js code. Okay, here is written. Now, if you want so much more thing about Node.js, then go here on our GPT-5 model and type create me a login form in Node. JSINGL single page using your own logic. Now I have typed and given prompt here, and here are a lot more. Then if you want to add new page here, go here and click here new. Then here Node.js, Python, Groovy, C++, JavaScript, JSL, Lua, ADA, Elixir, Erlang, Fortran, also assembly, Scala, Ruby. Up to around 75 programming language you can use here. jQuery, Bootstrap, Materialize, Foundation, Bulma, Unikit, Semantic UI, Paper, CSS, Backbone, JS, Angular, Vue, React, okay. MySQL, Oracle Database, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, also Oracle, PLSQL, MariaDB, Redis, and SQLite. Okay, so here are all of this code compiler, and here now it will create us a code. Okay, let's see here. Now type another also write a PRGRM program to add two W two N A M B E R number in an OD Node.js. Okay. So it will create us a program to add a number in Node.js. Okay, let's see this. Then we will move forward. Now here is our code. Okay, now constant. I think this one. Okay. So now I'll just use this. Okay. Now just use this. So why this code isn't working? No. Okay. This I think this here maybe some error. Okay. Now let's see. I don't have much more similarity to with this. Okay. So I couldn't do that. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay. So you can use this code compiler. Have a great